Hi everyone, so today we're here with the lovely Karen and we're doing more about Mauve from Blue Sky gel polish on the natural nail. So this is just what people know as a shellac over the natural nail. So you can see here I'm shaping up Karen's nails, preparing everything ready for the gel polish. Karen is having a square nail with slightly rounded corners, and please excuse the blue ink. That is Karen, that is from her work. So we're moving on using the E-file on a low speed with a pointed diamond bit going through under the cuticle, and then we are changing over to a round-headed diamond bit just to tidy up all the cuticle area itself over the top. So we're working from centre to left and then centre to right, and then I finish off by just pushing the cuticles back just to neaten everything up, and white blocking just to buff over the rest of the nail just to help remove the surface shine and all natural oils that may be on the nail. So then we come in with pure acetone just to completely clean up the nail, clean up the dust and remove any remaining oils. So now preparing with Dehydrator, and that is to again remove any remaining oils on the nail, and then also using Bond-Aid to attach the gel to the nail. So now we're going in with the Blue Sky Soak Off Gel Base Coat. Now for the base coat, make sure you go all the way up to the cuticles and remember to cap all nails on all layers. Now what I do with the gel polish, so here we have the More About Mauve going straight onto the nails now after the curing of the clear base. I don't go right the way to the cuticle, I leave a small gap. What I find is if you go right to the cuticle you end up with layer on layer, whereas if you leave that small gap and then on the second coat go right the way up to the cuticle, you find that you have a more seamless look. So we're going straight over with no white, Blue Sky top coat. Don't forget to cure all of these layers 60 seconds in an LED, 2 minutes in a UV, and then we're buffing the ring finger to create a surface to do some one stroke work. So here you can see a tray with a wet cloth in it and some baking paper. Now you can see I've got a brush here that has got a slanted edge, and on that longer edge is where you would put the lighter colour, and on the shorter edge you would put the darker colour, and then you start blending. Now make sure you blend both sides and get the blend to how you want the blend of the two colours. Now this is called one stroke work, and it's just a matter of practice. You're just creating different strokes, getting the shapes and the colours, the textures that you desire for whatever it is that you're creating there. And what you will need to do is make sure that you go over and do a second layer of these colours once the first layer has dried. So now you can see me doing the second layer of petals. And then you can see here I've changed over to doing green and white to do some leaves. And then I'm outlining those leaves with just a lining brush and some pure white. Top coat to finish off. Cuticle oil on all the nails. And there we have it, folks. So thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Please also find me on Facebook and Instagram as SLiK Nails. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.